I think this one's like a 17. You gotta get 2 different wrenches. Is how to check your DPF sensors. Without a DVOM. The sensor's good. It's sealed. A little dirty, but just clean it out. Here's the other temperature sensor. It's bad. See how it's opened on the end?
I'm gonna go up there and get my phone.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go, I guess the sun's not very.
Bad sensor. Is all the fluid leaked out? Good sensor. Easy. You don't need a computer, don't need diagnostic equipment. You just need a good set of eyeballs. This is the filter that we cleaned out with the soap and water. Use just a little bit of simple green, sprayed it, and then rinsed it out. It flows really good now. But this sensor tested bad. He had someone, I told him about this sensor. But just to double check, he had someone come out and look at it. And he's like, yeah, the sensor's bad. And I was like, well, that's the same sensor I showed you that was broken. There it is. Bad. Good. The John Deere 7700A.